Hi everyone, Chef Stuart here. All right, today we're making a green vegetable chicken pasta. And the best part is, it only takes 10 minutes. So let's go. Okay, first of all, we're gonna get that pasta cooking. Now we're gonna add some pistachios to this pasta. So I have my pan slightly warm, so I'm gonna toast up some pistachios. All right, pistachios are done, right into the bowl. We'll give those a chop later. Heat back on the pan and we're gonna cook our vegetables now. Put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I got some zucchini here, so we're just gonna add that to the pan. And some asparagus. I'm gonna hit that with some salt and pepper. And about a half a teaspoon of chili flakes. We're gonna cook off our vegetables. And these only need about 2 or 3 minutes to cook. We just wanna soften them up because we're gonna cook when we stir everything together at the very end with the cream and the lemon juice and the Parmesan. Top with those pistachio nuts, throw in some chicken, peas, and we're out. It's that easy. You can make this any night of the week. All right, so the vegetables are done. So I'm gonna pop those in a bowl. Now I got my peas that I've already thawed out, they're frozen. I'm just gonna add those to it, okay? So now let's put it all together. Pasta's done. So we're gonna add our pasta right into the pan. To that, we're gonna add about a half a cup of cream, just right in there. Some Parmesan, okay. We got our lemon. So it's gonna cut lemon. We're gonna squeeze some fresh lemon juice in there. This just comes together so easy. There's no really right or wrong way to do it. We got our vegetables, I'm gonna add those in too. And we're just gonna toss all this together, like that. We're gonna get it all in there. Super fresh, summery, and it's actually light. Even though I put some cream in there, it does have a really nice light flavor to it. Now I'm gonna add in my rotisserie chicken from last night. I got some basil. Just gonna chop those up. I have it on a nice low heat. So it's kind of thick, so I'm gonna loosen it up a bit. So I have some of my pasta water here. Just gonna add about a half a cup in here, just to loosen that up. That looks really nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna chop up some of these pistachios. And that's it. It's really easy. It comes together in about 10 minutes or as long as it takes for the pasta to cook. All right, that's looking beautiful. And we're gonna finish off with those pistachios. All right, the best part. Love this. First things first, it's really light, it's tasty, a bit of heat. Love the vegetables in there. All right, to find any of these recipes I do in these videos, head over to tastybites.net. They're all there. I'll see you soon.